This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, welcome back to VL Infotech. Today in this video, I'm going to explain step-by-step process how to promote your Amazon affiliate product links to your website and how to generate Amazon affiliate product links. I will show you clearly. Let's get started. Please type VL Infotech and click on the subscribe button to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. You will never miss an update. In this channel, I am going to explain clearly about all social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also about blogs, websites, and how to promote YouTube videos and get more views and subscribers, and how to promote your websites so that more visitors will visit your website. I will explain clearly everything about websites, blogs, YouTube, all social media accounts, and how to create new Gmail account, and how to create new YouTube channel, and how to upload videos to your YouTube channel. And I will explain everything clearly step by step. If you have any questions or if you want to make any kind of video that you want to explain, that you want to know clearly about a particular thing, please comment below. I will definitely try to do a step-by-step guide of the topic. Now we will go to our today's video, that is how to promote or how to create Amazon affiliate products and promote that product links through your website. Let's get started. And the steps are: open your first step is open your WordPress customization site, and second step is open your Amazon of Amazon associate account to create Amazon affiliate product links and get the product links and paste that product links in your website page. Whenever a customer clicks on that product, customer or user clicks on that particular product link and purchases and makes any purchase from that, then you will get money from that. In this video, I'm going to clearly explain step by step how to create and promote Amazon affiliate product links through your website. In next video, I will clearly explain how you will earn money when a customer or user clicks on your Amazon product, and how you will earn from that I will show you clearly. Now, first step is open website customization site. I'm going to open my WordPress customization site of my website. Click on my sites. This is my WordPress dashboard, WordPress customization dashboard. Now click on any post. You need a page and a post, and click on any post and click edit. The page is loading. Already I created a page and I created a post. Now you have to add Amazon affiliate product links to this post. And second step is open Amazon associate account. You need to sign up for Amazon associate account. I'm opening my Amazon associate account. From that, you will generate or create Amazon affiliate product links. This is Amazon Associate Central. We have to click this. This is my Amazon affiliate account. You can see how many clicks last month, how many products ordered, everything here. This is the dashboard. You have to click product linking, click product links, and click here. If you want to promote product related to books, you have to create books, or you want to promote product related to computer or electronics, that is your choice, which product you want to promote through your website. Now I am selecting computers. In that, I'm going to promote Samsung Galaxy Tab A1. Click on that link to get the link. Click text only. Click highlight HTML. Copy that one. Copy all this link. This is in HTML format. And here, select any location. I'm going to select the location here and click on the plus icon to add a block. I'm adding a column of 2 rows. In the first row, I'm adding paragraph, and I'm adding that product link. Now click on link. This is the product link. Click on the highlighted link, HTML, copy the link and paste here. That's it. Amazon affiliate product link is created. Similarly, we will do second column, second row. Go to Amazon associate account. Now I want to promote Amazon Kindle. Type here Amazon Kindle. Now I want to promote this. Click on get link. Click text only. Click highlight HTML and copy this link and press on the plus icon to add a block. I'm creating paragraph. Enter and going back. Click on link. Click highlight HTML. Copy this link and again paste here. Now successfully created Amazon affiliate product links and pasted in the post. I'm selecting category for this. I'm selecting mental health category. and I am writing a tag. I am selecting a feature image. I am selecting this image, insert. Image successfully inserted. Now everything is done. Now click on publish button. Click on publish. Click on view post to view the post. We can see Amazon affiliate product links in the down. Yeah, successfully created Amazon affiliate product links and pasted in your website page. If a customer clicks on this product, he will redirect to their Amazon account. If he purchases this Amazon product through your link, then you will earn some commission or some amount. In next video, I will show you how you will earn from this Amazon affiliate product. If a customer purchases this, I will show by making a purchase by clicking on your Amazon affiliate product link, and I will show you clearly. You click on your Amazon affiliate product link, you will redirect to Amazon account. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next video. In the next video, I will explain you about how you will earn from this Amazon affiliate product if a customer purchases from your Amazon affiliate link. Thank you.